Welcome to 1818 Farms. I'm Natasha McCrary, the owner, and we're going to be doing an unboxing today. We're extremely excited to be doing a trial of several plants. It's by Syngenta. Be sure and look them up. They have some great plants, and they shipped us 2 boxes today. And you're going to be like me. I know what some of the varieties are, but we're going to just open them up and talk about what we have. And over the summer, as we progress, we're going to be showing updates and just let you see how well they've grown. It may be different for us, a little challenge. There's a few things in here I know, like snapdragons, which we would typically plant in the fall. However, we're going to try and go to a more shady area and just see if we can work some magic with those. So we're going to open up, like I said, I mean, this is truly an unboxing. These ship through Grow and Sell, which is a great plug broker. We get a lot of our plants from them. And these just came today. We're going to open up and see. Looks like they're nicely packed with our first layer of styrofoam. And then we're going to see what we have in here. So the first thing we have is, let's pull it a little bit. Really nice packaging, you guys. Ooh, this is beautiful. So what we have, it's called a Lavender Violetta. It's a purple. And I know one of these varieties, I'm not sure which one, I have to look back at my list, is new for 2022. But this is great quality and just totally beautiful. I'm anxious to see what this is, and we will probably harvest this lavender and use it in some of our bath and beauty products that we make here at the farm. And the second thing is another lavender. It's called Ventro Forte Blue, and it's beautiful also. Really nice stems. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting excited about this. So this is sort of like Christmas morning, because it's something that we aren't 100% sure what all we're getting. And then I'm gonna try and pop this next side up. Ooh, nice also. So what we have here, Digitalis Camelot Cream. I mean, everything looks so healthy. I mean, look how beautiful. And we'll know more as the summer progresses of what our blooms will look like. So this is called Phoenix Simple Penstemon, I think. This is something I'm not familiar with. I'm just being quite honest, I've never grown. But it looks nice also. Looks like it's already been pinched, so I'm assuming, it's something you have to pinch and it's going to get more stems, but healthy as well. I think it has more, if I'm remembering correctly, more of a cottage garden look. So hopefully over the next few months, we'll know. All right, now I'm going to pull the next thing out. I think these are going to be some of our snapdragons. Oh no, I looked totally wrong. This is Xenia Uproar Rose. I think this is supposed to have some resistance that you get to maybe some of the powdery mildew from what I've read. We plant a lot of zinnias here, a lot of Banary giants, but in the south, we're in northern Alabama, we fight with powdery mildew. And these are your snaps. These are Madam Butterflies. So this is something we're going to have to really kind of play around with here, because like I said, we would typically plant these in September or October. And we're just going to have to see, if we get these into more shaded area, if they'll maybe have a fall bloom or if they'll overwinter for us. So that's our first box. I'm going to line everything up. Now we just have to determine where we're going to plant everything. And I'm going to, while I'm opening the next box, just kind of let you guys look at the list of what we have. And like I said, it came from Grow and Sell, is who shipped it to us, but it's the Syngenta plant company. And we're going into our next box. This one looks like, I'm going to be careful. Got a little bit of shipping in this box, but I'm going to be super careful as I open. And unfortunately, just to be truthful, as this, you can see it is shifted. We're going to have some broken heads. but hopefully maybe we'll still get a few more in here. And that's just kind of, one of the risks that you have when you're going to be shipping plugs is we've had it shifted in the during shipment. So we have a little bit of loss here. And these are also a Snapdragon's Opus and they're lavender. So we'll just have, this will be kind of something for us to really do some trial and error because we do have some breakage. The heads here on this is another Penstemon, and it's Arabesque Pink, but it looks great. So I have a feeling this is extremely hardy. But it's interesting, you kind of saw the difference when the packaging was one layer versus the 2 layers. That's where you had the shifting. I'm going to lift the next out. Look, the table just keeps getting full. And so these are all dahlias. And, for years we grew dahlias here and then we kind of got away from it. We have a heavy clay soil, but we're going to give this a try. This is a Café Au Lait. These look great. Let's pull these out. Sorry, you guys, I'm a little bit slow, but I don't want to break anything. Ooh, I like the color of this green foliage. It's a little different. And this is going to be a Dahlia Karma. Sounds like it might be a bicolor. I really like that foliage on here. And then we're getting to the last layer here. We have some more dahlias, I think, here. We're going to pull out here. Yes, this is the Karma Serena. And you guys, sorry, I'm trying to tear this. And this is Karma Irene. So the interesting thing about this for us is, like I said, we haven't grown dahlias in such a while. So we're going to be obviously giving it a shot here because we've got, probably around 200 dahlia plants. Or, I guess the tubers, you cut a tuber, but I guess they've been started. They've cut and starts. And it's going to be a great season. You guys, this has been so much fun unboxing these beautiful plants by Syngenta Flowers. And we are so excited to try something new. Be sure and tune in and we'll try either, probably in the beginning, we'll show the planting. And then what we'll do is we'll cut in and just show some updates with the growth. And we're going to show you, all, the good and the bad. Hopefully it's all good. And we have the most beautiful flowers at the end of the season. But we'll be doing updates and just, you want you to be with us along the way. And again, thank you so much, Syngenta Flowers, for providing us these beautiful plants.